Do not be holding rental properties in your personal name. What are you doing? And so some of the main problems that people have when they hold rental properties in their personal name is there's no asset protection. If you have a lawsuit coming after that rental property or coming after the owner of that rental property, which would be you, and any of the assets you hold in your personal name, things like your family home that you and your family live in could be taken to settle the judgment of that lawsuit. The other problem is going to be when you pass away with a rental property in your personal name, that rental property has to go through the probate process. And your spouse and your kids just lost your income stream, and the rental property is effectively frozen in the probate process. Your spouse cannot sell that property to generate cash. They cannot collect cash flow during that probate process. They have to wait until probate is over, and they take over the ownership of that property. And because you're sending rental properties through the probate process, it can take 1 to 2 years depending on the complexity of your estate. So your family can be financially struggling as well as coping with losing you. And so the way that you can get around this is to put the rental properties inside of an LLC that will give your assets asset protection from any liabilities associated with that rental property. Then you can put the LLC membership interest inside of a revocable trust. When you pass away, the LLC will avoid the probate courts, and you can directly distribute that LLC out to your family. That way they get that money and the assets in the most quickly time possible. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some of our team.